channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change FPS in Filmora, change frame rate, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So first, to be able to begin, just go ahead and open the Filmora app onto your device. So once you're already in here, it's time to go ahead and add in the video or open the project wherein you want to go ahead and try to change the frame rate. So as you can see, I'm currently onto a project already in here, and the current frame rate that I'm in onto the project is 25 FPS. Now to go ahead and change this, we could go ahead and head directly here to File, scroll down until you go ahead and find in the project settings. Click onto that and you should be able to see this following option. There you should be able to see frame rate, and if you click onto that, there should be a lot of options to choose from. So you could change from 25 FPS to 30, 50, 60, and many more. So this is the default one. So you could go ahead and change it as per your liking. Just make sure that your clips also align to the FPS that you're currently using onto your project. Now, since I think this video in here is onto 25 FPS, we're gonna leave it as it is and click onto OK. If you want to go ahead and check the frame rate that your clip is currently in, you'll just have to go ahead and right click onto that. Right after, you should be able to find in properties, and there you should be able to find in its frame rate under video info. So as you can see, this one is 25 FPS. It is a wise choice to choose 25 FPS also onto our project. If you do a quick preview, this is how your video should look like. And that is how easy to change FPS in Filmora, change frame rate. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.